Hello everyone, sorry that this video is late today. I'm going to show you how to make a Scratch project. It's not like the tough ones. I'm going to show you how to make a character be moving. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you how a character will be jumping. We'll go to scratch.com. I mean Scratch Nintendo. I'll just sign in my original account. You can create an account if you want to. You can just join with this, and then if you click next, they'll ask you your date of birth and then your email, and that's what it will happen. That's what will happen. But I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. So I had made a lot of project. It is 8 projects. So it's 8 projects, shared projects, 8 unshared projects. So I have totally 8 projects. I deleted most of them. So let's press create. Here we'll want to create a background. So I like the nebula one. Would we choose the nebula? Let's see what all the patterns are. So in space we have spaceship, space city, stars, neon tunnel, the space city one, spaceship. So this is very hard to decide. All of them are wonderful. So I'll start with the nebula. I don't like any cats now, so I'll destroy this cat. And then here I'm going to press this. Just click that. So here I'm going to search Pico. Or you can go to fantasy and just search Terra, Giga. You can choose Giga or Pico. So I'll choose Giga. And then I'll also choose Pico. So I like Pico because he's a boy and I'm a boy. You can just follow the same steps of coding for Giga if you like Giga. Giga's a go. I'm not going to name Pico. I'm going to name him. So let's create a name for our character. Now let's just type Pico walking. Master Pico. Let's write Master Pico. So we have Master Pico. So we'll call this tutorial platformer. So this is tutorial platformer. So to mention my account, I'll mention my account at the end of this lesson. And now we'll go and start it. So we will start with a when flag clicked. So this event will happen when the flag is clicked. We'll get a forever, so this can happen forever. And if this is pressed, that will happen. So we'll go to sensing. So then this fits down there. And I want if right arrow is pressed. What would I want it? Here, why I chose Pico walking is that it has a costume of Pico walking. So forever, because we have forever, it will move the next costume forever. But another thing we need is to point 90 degrees. Because if it's pointing 90 degrees, it's gonna point right because it's moving right. And if then it's gonna point minus 90 degrees, okay? And then there will be a certain code for that. It's a very different code. So next costume, point in direction 90 degrees. Let's see. That's what will happen. It's not moving, it's not going right. But now I'm going to change x by 10. But I'm going to choose 5. No, 6 will be the perfect one. Look, it's walking slowly. And I would choose the size a bit more smaller. Okay, I would choose it. Choose 70. 75 would do the trick. So look, it's walking, but if I click the left arrow, it's not walking. It's not even changing its costume, not going left. Because we only wrote, what did we code? Only the right arrow. So we're going to duplicate. Okay, let me see if I can duplicate. Sorry, I forgot how to duplicate. It has been a long time since the COVID-19 since I made some videos for this channel. So then we have key left arrow pressed. So in key left arrow pressed, what will we have? So we'll have next costume. Let's follow what I wrote. Next costume, it will move the next costume forever. Only if we do that. And then we'll point in 90 degrees. No, I'm wrong. We'll point in the opposite direction. The arrow is pointing left. And when I did it 90, it's pointing right. So, minus 90 degrees. And then, change x by 10. Let's see. It's going the same way. So we'll put it as minus 10. Because it's just like minus 90, it's minus 10. What is it? It's minus 6 actually. Because we have this as 6. Let's see. Surprise! Da-da-da! Oh, it's not upside down, Master Pico. Sorry. So, because of that problem, what we'll have to do is set rotation style left to right. Where is? Let's put it here. So when flag is clicked, it will go like this. How can Pico fly? We have to grow some boosters. No, we shouldn't do that. So at the start, it's not going to be in the forever. The code won't work. Just we have to put the Pico in the position where it is. So pretend if we put Pico there, it's changing to go to X. Pretend if we put Pico at the edge. Look, it changed. So I want Pico to go right there. Okay? So let's put that keynote. So pretend if it's go, look, it just came back. Pretend if I went all the way up. Look, it just come back. So that's a piece of code. Okay? If you're not used to Scratch, please comment down. If the comments are not allowed, because this is not for adults, it's okay. You can do whatever you want. So I have been using a lot of backpack, more than 100 I think. So that also makes a good game. You can learn from others. This code made a masterpiece. Look. You can go like that. You can go like that. In this episode, the toughest part is when you make it jump. We'll leave that silly code alone. So then we'll have when flag clicked. forever. If then, okay, we'll just have that. But now I'll just leave it as key space because I want space to be jump. And then I will want it to move y by like I'd say 50. So 50 is too much. 30. And then we will have wait 0.1 seconds. No, we can't duplicate that. So, and then we'll go back to the y, but we'll write the opposite. Minus 30. Now let's write 40. This should be minus 40. Okay, get it? So you'd make a masterpiece. So I'll be working hard on creating a next tutorial platformer. And this is not the end because there's no end to Scratch. So I said this, please like it. I'll send you this game. And then here I am going to show you my Slither.io game. Thanks to MechGuy for the tutorial as well. Even I, a master in Scratch, will actually look in another master in Scratch. So for now I do like it, but I think MC Guy would improve it. This is feedback from my channel, MC Guy. And hope you're watching this. My goodness. This is a bit tough. So by seconds you're gonna lose. Okay? Hope you like this game as well. So this is a colony. I use this for a backpack as well. So Reloaded Games is my partner. Colony. Just enter it. So I will start with those, and in the red those. Right there. So then the red will have a lot of healers. And then a bit Superman. Okay. And then for the blue team, my team, so this is the guards, and then I'll put my Ultramillion jets. They're protect. And then one last check. Ooh, those healers are doing well. No! Nice! Oh, look at the moon. So, so then we're gonna use some tiny attackers. And then another type. Oh look, they survived it. Why are they going away? Yes! I won! So let's clear. So in each there's a battle formula like that. And then in the end there's gonna be 2 medical. So free medical. And then there's gonna be some pilots going in the wind. That by one. We're gonna put some of those missiles guarding the medical ships. And then here I'm gonna put one more. And then a third small one. I'm gonna put some medicals there. So this is a fun one. Let's see. So that is a strong. Let's see. So I'm gonna clear red. I'm gonna clear blue. Red as well. So first, for blue, for red, I'm gonna put on 2 of them versus by Echodes and some of my Doctor Healers. Look, they loan the Doctor Healer. What just happened? Heavy pizza. My goodness, it's circling the dough. That is a big thing. Look, come on, just destroy the. Can you look how tiny it is, but how strong? What the million? Yeah. This. Oh my goodness. Rice. So, bye bye everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel.